Hi Rick. This issue is on Android and iOS devices. So currently I have on iPhone 14 Safari browser. Now here I'm opening the lead forms, and I'm going to add new lead form. This is so we'll provide the name, iPhone 14, and I will select some recipients. So I'm selecting Amit Yadav, then I'll add Anupad. Okay, Amir I have added. I'll add one more, Alok Srivastava. Okay, so these three recipients I have added, and I'm putting thank you message. Okay, now I'm going to save and close this form. So this error I'm getting, so this issue already reported, but after closing this form, if I perform search, I'll be able to open this. So iPhone 14 is the one we just created. If I open, you can see the recipients are not there. So all the recipients are getting removed. Message is there. So this is only happening on the phones, Android and iOS devices. It's working on web browser, desktop basically. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.